A catalytic converter is a crucial component in your car's exhaust system, designed to reduce harmful emissions. It uses a ceramic honeycomb structure coated with precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium to convert toxic gases, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides, into less harmful substances through chemical reactions. As of 2025, these converters are still essential for most gasoline vehicles and even some hybrids. One of the most common signs of a failing catalytic converter is the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. This often comes with diagnostic codes P0420 or P0430, indicating poor catalytic efficiency. You may notice a significant reduction in engine power and acceleration. The vehicle feels sluggish during acceleration and may struggle to reach higher speeds. A failing catalytic converter can cause increased fuel consumption, with efficiency dropping by up to 20%. You'll find yourself refueling more frequently. An unusual exhaust smell, often described as rotten eggs, can indicate a failing catalytic converter. This odor comes from sulfur compounds not being properly converted. You might hear rattling noises coming from the exhaust system. This occurs when the internal ceramic structure of the catalytic converter breaks down and begins to vibrate. A failing catalytic converter often causes the vehicle to fail emissions tests. High levels of pollutants are released into the exhaust, failing smog check requirements. Catalytic converters typically last between 100,000 and 150,000 miles. Failure often results from wear and tear, contamination from engine oil or coolant leaks, overheating due to misfires or lean fuel mixtures, and physical damage from road debris. Poor maintenance, such as infrequent oil changes or a faulty oxygen sensor causing unburned fuel, can also accelerate its degradation. If you suspect a faulty catalytic converter, the first step is to get your car scanned for OBD2 codes. Connect a scanner to the OBD2 port under the dashboard. Common codes like P0420 or P0430 indicate poor catalytic converter efficiency. Exhaust back pressure testing can also help determine if the converter is clogged. This test measures pressure in the exhaust system to identify restrictions caused by a failing catalytic converter. A professional mechanic can perform these OBD2 scans and back pressure tests to accurately diagnose the catalytic converter issue. Remember that other problems like oxygen sensor failures or engine misfires can cause similar symptoms, so a thorough diagnosis is essential. In most cases, replacing a bad catalytic converter is the standard solution. While some specialized cleaning fluids exist for clogged converters, they are rarely effective in the long term. Replacement ensures proper emissions control and restores engine performance. Always use OEM or high-quality aftermarket parts to avoid warranty issues and ensure proper function. Replacing a catalytic converter typically costs between $500 and $2,500 total. This includes labor costs ranging from $200 to $1,000 and parts costing $300 to $1,500. After replacement, ensure your car is properly tuned and regularly monitor for any recurring issues. Given the rising theft problem, consider installing a catalytic converter lock as a deterrent. Catalytic converter theft has become a major problem, with over 500,000 incidents reported in the U.S. in 2024 alone, costing more than $1 billion. This is driven by the high value of precious metals inside each converter. To protect your vehicle, install a catalytic converter lock. This security device makes removal much more difficult for thieves. Parking in well-lit areas or inside a garage can deter theft attempts, as thieves prefer dark, secluded spots. Check your insurance policy, as some may cover catalytic converter theft, providing financial protection if your vehicle is targeted. The future of catalytic converters is shaped by the rise of electric vehicles, which eliminate the need for traditional exhaust systems. While EVs reduce the importance of catalytic converters, hybrids and fuel-efficient gasoline engines will continue to depend on them for effective emissions control. Recycling precious metals from old converters becomes increasingly important for sustainability, helping to recover valuable resources and reduce environmental impact. Emerging technologies like electric catalysts and AI-optimized designs promise enhanced efficiency and durability for future catalytic converters.